Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Einstein refused to wear socks because his big toe always created a hole in them. The days are long, but the years are shorter than you think. Scientists have discovered a gene that influences a sleep duration. Individuals known as short sleepers naturally require only 4 to 6 hours of sleep to function as effectively as those who need the typical 8 hours. If someone is feeling nervous, they may avoid facing you fully. When a bear stands up, it's not just tall, it's terrifying. The official Mickey Mouse gas mask from the 1940s, it was designed by Walt Disney to help children with the fear of using it. This company makes official chairs out of coffins, perfect for any dead-end job. Thailand is home to the world's most expensive fruit, the rare Canyo durian, which once sold for $48,000 at auction. Smiling women are found more attractive, while men who don't smile as much are perceived as hotter than men who smile a lot. Nigerian family stuns the world with striking blue eyes because of a rare genetic condition. Men don't like asking for help. Attractive women who wear makeup are perceived as more aggressive by other women. When a man is quiet, he is listening to you. More gold is recoverable from a ton of personal computers than from 17 tons of gold ore. A travel brochure from the World Trade Center. Amazon milk frog, a hidden gem from Amazon rainforest. These three random men sleeping look like the same person. Men communicate to convey information, to solve a problem, or to get things done. Women, on the other hand, communicate to build and maintain relationships as well as to generate and share creative ideas. Men let go of negative experiences faster than women on average. Holi and Dhuleti are just not about fun and colors, they also have a direct connection to health. Playing with colors helps eliminate bacteria from the skin, protecting us from seasonal illnesses as the weather changes. Men take commitment seriously. If you are craving chocolate, your body needs magnesium, so eat some bananas. Over 80% of aviation accidents occur during takeoff or landing. In the past decade, some obese patients were sent to zoos for MRI and CT scans because standard hospital machines could not accommodate their weight. Zoos have larger scanners designed for big animals, making them a practical solution in these cases. If a person washes his hands again and again or counts money again and again, then he is suffering from mental illness, OCD. Palm trees are not considered true trees but are classified as members of the grass family. They belong to the Ericaceae family and exhibit characteristics that align more closely with grasses, such as being monocots and lacking the secondary growth typical of woody trees. Crocodiles shed tears as a result of the air trapped in their sinuses after eating their prey, so this has nothing to do with pain. For this reason, the expression crocodile shed tears is used for people who do not feel sorry for something but pretend to be sad. Canada retains approximately 91% of its original forest, cover that existed at the onset of European settlement. In 1923, the Brazier family from Silverton, Oregon lost their Scotch Collie English Shepherd mix, Bobby, during a trip to Indiana. 6 months later, Bobby returned home, having traveled approximately 2,551 miles across plains, deserts, and mountains, earning him the nickname Bobby the Wonder Dog. Strawberries are packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber which support heart health and boost immunity. To maximize their benefits, eat them fresh and unprocessed. Washing them just before eating helps preserve their nutrients and prevents mold growth. The aquatic fern Azolla is highly effective at absorbing CO2 from the atmosphere. Around 50 million years ago, extensive Azolla blooms in the Arctic Ocean led to a substantial decrease in atmospheric CO2, triggering global cooling. Currently, scientists are investigating Azolla's potential to combat climate change by utilizing its rapid growth and carbon sequestration properties. A network of 4,000-year-old ceramic pipes used for transporting water was discovered at the Pingliangtai site in China, giving us a peek into just how advanced late Neolithic societies were, considering this site's lack of hierarchical satisfaction. Michael Jackson statues in different countries. China, Malaysia, Austria, Brazil, Italy, Netherlands, Thanks for watching.